have been in the scholarship space for a while, and I've taken time to study what works. If you just follow all of the things that is there, even if you don't get all the scholarships, I assure you, you will get one. Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Dr. Sil, your imaginary big sister that has gotten 4 fully funded scholarships and now wants to hold your hand and guide you in the study abroad journey. So if you're thinking about studying abroad, you are in the right place. This is actually part 1 in a 5-part series, and in today's video, we are going to focus on 2023 study abroad vision boards. Don't know what vision boards are? Many great people have talked about vision boards and how everything they had written on their vision boards came true. So here Steve Harvey talks about 2 things: asking God for what you want and making a vision board in which you write down 300 things that you want to come true this year. Wake up every day and use 5 minutes to read through all of them and work towards them. And by the end of the year, check off what came true. And you'll see that at least 30 came true, which is about 10%. Yes, about 10% of them will come true if you write it down. This was very powerful for me, and I think for you too, because getting admissions into that dream university or getting offered that dream scholarship is a life-changing opportunity. So putting it on a vision board is an absolute must. When I got my first scholarship in 2014, I did not make any vision boards, but that is also because I did not know what vision boards were back then. But after I learned about vision boards, I have been making them. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how you can make your 2023 study abroad vision boards such that by December 2023, we are going to be popping champagnes and celebrating because you have gotten admission into your dream university or you have been offered that dream scholarship. And I want to hear from you all. Like, don't lie now. Like, tell me the truth. Have you ever heard about vision boards? Have you ever made it? And some people do not believe in vision boards. Do you believe in vision boards? Let me know in the comment section. So on the 2022 Study Abroad Vision Board Planner and Journal, when we talk about the vision board, I have 5 points that I have listed there that I want you to brainstorm and think about it. And I'm going to walk you through all of them. I'm going to show you, first of all, how you can start with the first 2, My Dream Life and My Dream Career. And this is you thinking about, what life do I want to build for myself? Where do I see myself in 5 years? Where do I see myself in 10 years? And when I look up about my career, what do I want to do with my career? Like, do I want to become an engineer? Do I want to become an analyst? When you're able to think about it and visualize it, then there is that sense of you're working towards it, okay? So we are going to use Canva to start this process of building out your vision boards. And the reason why I love Canva is that Canva, first, is free. It's free, so you don't have to upgrade. You can use the free version and it's okay. And then apart from it being free, it has tons of templates. All right, I have to pick up something. There is a mailman. Let's get this started. So the first thing, as I was saying, the good thing about Canva is that it has templates. All you have to do is come to Canva. This is my homepage. I'm actually going to share this with you. And then you type here on the search Canva, you type here for vision boards. And you're looking at it like, 2020, whatever. Let's just take this one. This one looks nice. Okay, let's take this one. So you can now customize this template. So we are looking at this template here and we are going to go in first and we are going to put here 2023. This is what you should do. Just edit it, put 2023, and then we are going to look for photos, okay? The great thing about Canva is that it has millions of photos, even if you're using the free version. If you look through if you look at the back screen, this is my vision board. So this is not me telling you all things that I'm not doing. This is my vision board here, if you can see it on the background. So there is money, there is community, there is family, there is exercise, there's healthy eating. That is my vision board. So let's get back to Canva and to what matters to you. So let's look through what do you want to be? You want to be happy, and you can see a picture of two people here smiling hard, right? This is happy people. So you can now just take this picture off and then you replace it with this picture. Okay, you see, done, easy. Maybe you want to have a family. And okay, so let's look through. This is a picture of this, an amazing picture of a family, right? So you just maybe take this one off, delete that. You just delete and replace. Delete and replace. There you have the family picture put there. Traveled around the world. Okay, Canva gives some options. Let's see. Ooh, this is an amazing picture. This is somebody with a suitcase and flying over the world, right? Take it and put it here, and it replaces that picture immediately. You don't even have to delete it before putting it. And let's say that maybe if you're interested, okay, then now let's go to career. We've put for life. Now let's go to career. Let's think about what you want to do. Maybe you want to be a public speaker. So you see, this is some person here doing public speaking. You replace that picture with yours. And maybe also in your career, you want to be a public speaking, but you want to be a public speaker who is like a specialist at what you do. Let's say you are an engineer. I actually give you all engineer as a prompt in the study abroad vision board. So let's say you want to be an engineer. All right, now let's look. This is a picture of an engineer here. So you want to be a public speaker, but you want to be a public speaker in engineering. That's also okay. Maybe you want to be a wealthy person. Who doesn't, right? You want to have more money. Now here we have a picture of money. We can just take this money picture and we replace it here. Oh, okay, this is good. And also maybe you want to buy a home, right? You want to buy a home where you're going to live with your family for forever. So you now put your dream house. What does your dream house look like? So now here we have, okay. So now you see that we have our 20, and then here you can now put your picture. You can put your picture here. All right, so I'm going to put my picture here. This is the picture that is at the back part of the journals. All right, so here we have a vision board. But the thing is, this has just two things: dream life and dream career. Now we still also have to figure out dream study abroad destination, dream scholarship. So we still have to figure those things out. But if you're using Canva to create that, this is what you can do. And on the journals, I provide you like hints on, okay, you can put this here, you can put this here, you can put this here. So if you use Canva, you can do this at home. So after getting the pictures, and then I went to the local 7-Eleven. That is like the convenience stores that I found here in Japan. I printed it out. I printed out the collage that I made, and then after getting the collage, I'm just going to head back home, and I'm going to start with, first of all, dividing my template into 5 different things. I told you all already that I have prepared the 2023 vision board, planner and journal to hold your hand and guide you throughout the study abroad journey. So please be sure to get yourself a copy. The link is in the description box. So after getting those the collage of the images, I came now and I started cutting them. I divided my board into 5 parts, and on one of it I wrote, for example, the dream life that you want, and then the dream career that you want, and then I wrote the dream study abroad destination that you want, then I wrote the dream university that you want to study at, and finally the dream scholarship that you want to have, right? And then I started cutting out the papers, cutting it out to represent the collage that I had created. And then in my head I'm like, okay, the pictures that represent the life that I want, I put them on one place. The ones that represent the career, I put them on the other place. The ones that represent the study abroad destination, I put them on one place. The one that represents the dream university, I put them on one place. And then the ones that represent the scholarship, I put them on one place. That way, when you finish and you're looking at this vision board, you're like, yes, 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 this is where I'm going. This is what I want for myself. This is where I want to go by the end of 2023. And I am ready, willing, and able to make all my dreams come true. The link to the 2023 Study Abroad Vision Board Journal and Planner is in the description box. So definitely click on it, go get yourself a copy and use it throughout this year. And I know that I have been in the scholarship space for a while and I've taken time to study what works. If you just follow all of the things that is there, even if you don't get all the scholarships, I assure you, you will get one. So go ahead, get a copy, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Cheers.